Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we will explore D-Wave Quantum in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of April, 2025, our system has identified D-Wave Quantum as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.82. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a growth of 14.08%. This results in an average daily return of 7.04% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.4% over the upcoming 3 months, with estimated returns ranging from -7.41% to +98.83%. Taking a longer view, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 200.27%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 97.94% to 406.7% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $14.11 and $36.8. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline volatile ride for D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, moving between $6.68 and $7.40. The D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price gained 14.08% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, rising from $6.25 to $7.13. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.7%, with a low of $6.68 and a high of $7.40. The price has fallen in 5 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 14.63% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 26 million more shares were traded than the day before, with 40 million shares bought and sold for approximately $282,950,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $11.95, while the lowest price was 75 cents. Currently, the price is 40.33%, or $4.82, below the 52-week high, and 46.11%, or $6.10, below the all-time high on the 10th of August, 2022, when the price reached $13.23. D-Wave Quantum, symbol QBTS, is making headlines today as it nears the installation completion of Alabama's first on-site annealing quantum computer in collaboration with Davidson Technologies. This significant milestone showcases D-Wave's advancements in quantum computing, potentially positioning the company favorably in a competitive market. In the broader landscape, quantum computing stocks, including QBTS, are experiencing a surge as investor confidence grows amidst a rally in the stock market. Despite facing challenges earlier this year, which saw shares decline by approximately 33% year-to-date, recent technological achievements offer a glimmer of optimism. D-Wave's performance is contrasted with NVIDIA's market dominance, opening discussions on whether a quantum-focused company can outperform the artificial intelligence giant. With the continued exploration and acceptance of quantum technology, QBTS could attract more investor interest, especially as its capabilities in quantum supremacy and revenue growth become more apparent. In the short term, anticipatory trading around D-Wave's developments and overall industry momentum could drive QBTS's stock price up. Long-term prospects will hinge on the company's ability to execute on its innovative promise and maintain market confidence in the evolving quantum landscape. Therefore, investors might view QBTS as not just a reactionary play, but as a strategic inclusion in their portfolios, particularly with the ongoing transformation of computing. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating along with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned QBTS an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They have rated the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. The stock is showing mixed signals today. D-Wave Quantum Inc. receives a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a predominant sell signal, leading to a more negative outlook for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it may face resistance from the long-term moving average at $7.33. Conversely, if the stock declines, it could find support at the short-term average around $6.63. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall negative sentiment. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, March 17, 2025, with the stock having declined by 36.23% so far. Additional declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, while the price is rising, the trading volume is also increasing, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, indicating a sell signal. Pivots. A sell signal was noted 27 days ago. Bollinger Bands. A buy signal occurred 48 days ago. Short-term Moving Average. A buy signal was detected 2 days ago. Long-term Moving Average. A sell signal was observed 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, a buy signal was identified 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, also showing a buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 121 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to explore more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Inc. shows support from accumulated volume at $6.91, which may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction could be anticipated when this support level is tested. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.71 between its high and low, amounting to a 10.7% change. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 6.55%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside of their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 0.05. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $7.25. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $6.91. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of March, 2025, Nagain Diane executed an insider purchase of 101,721 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Markovich John M. performed an insider purchase of 430,360 shares of common stock, also with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Earlier, on the 10th of February, 2025, Nagain Diane carried out an insider sale of 2,791 shares of common stock with the same par value. On the 23rd of January, 2025, Markovich John M. conducted an insider sale of 5,582 shares of common stock. On the same day, Baratz Alan E. executed an insider sale of 8,372 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of -29.631. In total, insiders purchased 48,006,651 shares and sold 94,980,996 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? D-Wave Quantum Incorporated presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we anticipate that D-Wave Quantum will open lower by approximately 6 cents and commence trading at $7.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.